Hello, ho, ho, and yeah, welcome back to Python, welcome back to graphical user interfaces, and another episode with Tkinter, or we are using again Tkinter. Now we are trying to create multiple windows, or now we are designing a button that creates a new window, which means a new TK object is created. And yeah, there are two simple ways. So let's first do the basic stuff like import Tkinter as tk, tk point tk, GUI equals tk point tk, GUI point main loop, GUI point geometry, and now we want to open a new window like a button which is called options, and then we get a new GUI to define the options, the graphical options, any stuff like that. So let's do something like GUI point button 2 equals tk point button text equals options, command equals open options. So we need our function def open, which is called open options, of course. And yeah, in this options we want to create a GUI2. GUI2, which is also another tk object, equals tk point tk in lowercase the k. And yes, now if we run GUI1, nothing, because do you even see it? Okay, at least you can see it, but it's nothing spectacular because I didn't place the button. So let me place the button with button 2 point, not pack, but place, x equals 20, y equals 20. Now one again. So yeah, if we click on options, another window is opened, but you can't see it. So let me share I mean, in this case, I should just share my screen like this. Yeah, and if we options, we get an empty window and another empty window here and another empty window here. And yeah, that's simply because always an instance of GUI2 is created. So what we want to do is, first of all, limit it. So let's say something like GUI2 equals none, and if GUI2 is none, in this case we should use is none, not equals none. Now let's put everything in this if condition, GUI2 point, and let's type global GUI, so he knows I'm referring to the global variable. Now GUI2 point, let's say button 2, button 3 equals, I don't even have a button 1, but anyways, equals tk point button. Now let's say something like, yeah, GUI2 is the master. Text equals close or clone. Command equals GUI2 point destroy. Okay, now let's try it. We run the GUI. Options, and I forgot to place a button. Let's do this first. 3 point place, x equals 20, y equals 20. Back to the screen, let's run it. GUI, options, and yeah. Now important, if we click on options, no third or fourth window will open. There's just the second window, and when we click on clone, it is closed. And yeah, we still can't open another one because now GUI2 is assigned. So to fix that, let's head back to the coding process, and yeah, can simply say GUI2 equals none. And this won't work, so first of all we need another function. So def now close the damn window. I did really much try and error and had Googled a lot, and yeah, was kind of hard to get to that. So it's really simple now, but I didn't get it, to be honest. GUI 2-point destroy. Let's first say global GUI2. Now GUI 2-point destroy. And GUI2 equals none. And destroy. Destroy or destroy? Should be right. Let's try it out. Or first let's change the command to close the damn window. Close the damn window without the brackets. Now let me show you. So GUI, 1 second, here's the GUI. Options, we have a window. Again, we can't open a new window, but now if we close it, we can open it again, like this. One issue is left because, again, let me share the screen. Options. Let's open the options, and now if we close it like this, it won't work. So what we need now is a new function. I'm sorry, not really a new function, but we need to type in, and this is the hard part, GUI point protocol. Now we need a certain string, so he knows what we want our protocol. We delete window. I hope I wrote it correctly, but yeah, there shouldn't be a mistake. And yeah, close the damn window again, like always, without the brackets. Now let me share the screen again. Now if we run it, let's run options. Let's close it, options. Now it's also restartable. So now it's up to you. Here you can get a combo box and yeah, make certain options. You have a button like verify. There's anything is possible now. So do what you wanna do. It's up to you. And yeah, I am finished. And yes, that was the video. Hopefully you could kind of get anything. Hopefully see you in the next video. Have a nice evening, dinner time, night time, whatever time it is in your country. See you hopefully in the next video. And yeah, now I will start the live stream like every day. Bloop.